Hello, good morning. Um, yeah, it was fun yesterday. I thought we could maybe let's see if we can get it on Hacker News. How is this? Let's see. Um, there we go. What was it called? Stack Overflow. uh, AI. There we go. Yeah, 002. Let's see. And we're gonna do some retro coding, like the old way, not using AI. My project, whatever. I just feel like coding. That's all. But first, let's try. We need to create a screenshot. Oh, doesn't this work? Oh, I probably need a file. Okay, we can start first. So I can't quite. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, we should fix that. Maybe we can fix that first. Okay, let's just go with the flow here. It seems that with the extension, I have to open a file to be able to ask a question. I don't want to have that constraint. I want to be able to ask a question like regardless of what I'm focusing on in the editor. Is there a way to do that? Let's see. It bails if there's no active editor, even though the agent only uses editor for lightweight. Yeah, make the editor optional. Yeah, I showed it to some colleagues yesterday, the Stack Overflow extension thing. And we had a good laugh about it. And one of them suggested to put it on Hacker News. So I thought we could do that. Let's see. Now we close everything. Are we still able to ask a question? And yes, we are. Fantastic. Okay, we're gonna ship that first. Okay, bump, I guess, patch version, commit and push, and then build the new version so I can publish it. Do I have Marketplace up and running here? No. VS Code Marketplace. Publish. There we go. Kind of cool. Some people actually downloaded the Nice PR. Nice PR is a really cool. Is a really cool extension. Can I go to the actual Vue extension? It's really cool. It basically shows you a list of your commits, and you can literally just move things around. You can like remove commits. You can move changes to different commits. You can change the name of them. Yeah, I'm really happy about that extension. Yeah, still alpha version. Yeah, I guess it doesn't matter with AI now. Oh shit, did I? No, there we are. Okay, cool. So let's go in and update. I'm actually doing it manually. I'm so sick and tired of all the tokens and shit. Setting up things. It's boring. Okay. While that's releasing, maybe we can go on Hacker News, see if I can sign in here. See if we can come up with some text. Title. Title. Using AI to generate Stack Overflow. I want to have like a more catchy title. Something like, maybe we can use Claude to help us. So I'm creating a Hacker News post about this extension I created for VS Code. It's kind of funny because it allows you to ask questions in VS Code, and then there's an AI that generates like an actual Stack Overflow looking page in the editor, like as a window in the editor, which has AI generated answers. So you kind of, but you see like your own question as opposed to Stack Overflow. You see the accepted answer, but you also see like these follow-up comments. So it kind of has the spirit of Stack Overflow. And the really good thing about it is that it just condenses, because the AIs are trained on Stack Overflow, right? So they really understand how condensed the answers needs to be. Which is very helpful in the world of incredibly verbose AI. And it has these like funny quirks of like riffing on the name of people in the ecosystem related to the question you're answering, to the question you're asking, and stuff like that. So it will be fun to share it, but I need like a good title, a catchy title for this. And also if you have some suggestions on the actual contents of the post, that will be amazing as well. Yeah, let's go and find let's go Marketplace. Let's go and find the page. View extension. Oh, look at that. Attention. AI is what hollowed out Stack, and you're using the same AI trained on. Show Stack Overflow, but the answers are actually short. I rebuilt the stack. Using the AI that kills Stack Overflow. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Using the AI that kills Stack Overflow to bring back its best part. Yeah, that's a good one. Let's just do that. First, it's understated. First, I built a VS Code. No, great. Forcing the output into the. It also has a few jokes. It's well-known people and whatever. The way the comment that explains why not. Yeah, I think this is pretty okay. I built a VS Code extension that takes a question you type and renders a Stack Overflow style page right in the editor. Your question at the top, and AI generate text, and a few follow-up comments underneath. The reason it works better than normal chat. Well, I'm not really trying. Yeah, I'm not really trying to sell it. It's more of a joke. Can you add images? I guess you can't do that. We should really have an image. So about the text, I actually chose the title with the AI that killed Stack Overflow thing. I found that to be funny. Anyways, in the actual post content, I rather want you to don't compare it to a chat window. Just more generally speak to the verbosity of AI, cognitive depth that we use AI to generate code and we don't learn anything anymore. Or actually, a great post would rather be from, I'm just remembering from what I ranted about on the stream. This is how I learned programming. It was being in the code, and then in the same rhythm of working in the editor, I would go to Google, search up things I had questions about, clicking the links, often ending up on Stack Overflow, reading very precise answers, not having to read through a bunch of text, and also stumbling on these follow-up comments that would tell me about different paths, and often I would find my answer to not be in the accepted answer, but actually be a follow-up. So it was a very condensed, it was a very high ratio of learning compared to the verbosity of the text. And I missed that experience. So I created this extension that brings it back to me. Bum, 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 ba-dum. Hvem har spist lunsj? Nei, jeg får ikke til akkurat nå. Nei.
Du kan gjøre musikk med meg. Tror du kan ta med oss på åpen turnhall?
Åpen turnhall? Når da?
Vet ikke. Jeg vet at det er i dag.
Jeg må finne ut når det er da.
Skal vi ha med oss på rush i stedet for?
Nei, det koster masse penger.
Det gjør åpen turnhall. Nei, det gjør ikke.
Nei, det gjør ikke.
Hallo. Hvor er kameraet? Er det der bare? Filmer du?
Hæ?
Filmer du? Så det her skal ut på YouTube?
Det går ut på YouTube nå. Det er live. Kan ikke du spille litt med broren din da?
Så når du snakker med alt det jeg har sett nå, er på YouTube.
Ja, jeg hører ikke så godt, tror jeg.
Så du kan bare klippe det vekk.
Yeah, so it's actually looking for dependencies in the project, which it can't find, but we don't need to put that in the screenshot. Let's see. how can we... Can I... If we do this... Yeah, this is gonna be a nice... maybe we can just do this part. Yeah. Is this good? It has a lot of... Let's see if we do... There you go. Yep. Okay, cool. So if we bring that picture into this thing, media, let's rename this to screenshot. Lukker du døra? Let's see. So I just added a screenshot in the media folder. Let's get that screenshot added to the README. Just make sure that it doesn't become like too big. Like set a size in the README for it, so it, yeah, doesn't become too big. Yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah, actually, maybe this stream is more about the Stack Overflow post. It's not as flexible here at home today. I have a feeling I'm gonna get interrupted at any moment. I'd be in some rhythm with the code, hit a wall, and without really breaking the rhythm, I Google the thing I was stuck on. Half the time I'd land on Stack Overflow. I read an answer that was 3 lines of code and 1 sentence explaining mine, and I'd be back in my editor 20 seconds later. Wasn't even the accepted answer. It was the follow-up comment. So often the real answers wasn't the green check mark. It was someone 2 replies down going, this works, but don't do it this way. That's where I learned the path that weren't obvious. The whole thing had this incredibly high ratio of learning to words. You read almost nothing and walked away knowing more. I don't get that anymore. Ask an AI to generate the code, it generates around the code, and I paste it and move on having retained nothing. The verbosity isn't just annoying, it flattens everything to one path, the accepted answer, with none of the actually don't that taught me the most. The cognitive depth is gone. I'm shipping more and learning less. So I built the thing I missed. You ask a question and it renders a Stack Overflow style page right in the editor. Your question is a tight accepted answer and the follow-up comments arguing about it. Same format, same terseness, same here's the path that accepted. The fun irony is that the models are this good at formats precisely because they were trained on the site that they helped kill. Yeah, I kinda like it. Okay, let's just copy it. Let's see if we can. I don't wanna. So in the spirit of terseness, just have like one simple paragraph, kind of capturing the essence of this, where yeah, the essence of like how AI is. I don't feel like doing this. Fuck. Yeah, I don't feel like streaming. I don't know. The day started so good, and then I get downstairs, and then the kids are hassling me and being upset about a Fortnite season update that doesn't quite work. And then my partner is like just showering me with some concerns about work, and then I don't know. It just drags all the energy out of me. I just want to wake up, should be quiet, I have my coffee, I eat breakfast, and I go downstairs and I do something I want to do. No sounds, no nobody asking for my attention. That's what I need. Anyways, could you try to rather make this like a single paragraph? Just capture the essence of why the extension was created. Yeah. Is this the one? Yeah, this is good. Could you also center the image? Oh, did I actually? Oh, I thought. Oh, for fuck's sake! It has me on there. I didn't know that. I didn't think it would capture the actual thing. I thought this was like an overlay thing. That's embarrassing. Okay, let's change the image. No. How do I create a counter in React? That's embarrassing. I'd like to access. No. No. Oh, this is not. For fuck's sake. I'm so not in the mood for this. Yeah, this doesn't really capture what I want to say. So I think the essence here is more before AI, I was controlling the rhythm of interactions, and those interactions is what kind of kept me learning and building context. Meaning that when I was interacting with code and I stopped because I wasn't sure what I needed to do, I would just like seamlessly move into the browser, do some searches, click around, scroll around, often ending up on Stack Overflow or documentation and services that's designed for human consumption. And I would never kind of break out of my rhythm. But with AI, often it just generates the thing that I need, so I don't learn anything. Or it, and I kind of sit there. This is the important part. I kind of just sit there waiting. There's no momentum anymore. There's no rhythm anymore. I'm just sitting there, like doom scrolling or whatever. Or watching YouTube, waiting for the AI to finish, which is just, yeah, fuck. I don't know. This wasn't fun. I'm gonna jump out. I don't feel like doing this.